and gentlemen, once again welcome back one and only my channel Crypto Victoria. So guys, I hope you are doing very well and you're doing your best. So here is I welcome to just a chill nigga meme coin project that based on community, reliability and humor. So guys, here I will tell you how you can buy all about our chill nigga economics and each and everything all about our socials, Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, YouTube, and how you can join these. So you have to don't miss this golden opportunity and you have to join right here now. Before starting their further exciting amazing review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification, because you know Victoria always come with an exciting amazing new platforms in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, let's go. Let's start to the welcome to Chill Nigga, and here I am talking about Chill Nigga, and here you can see their beautiful profiles on my screen, guys. And here you have to welcome, and basically our aims to continuously gain community members through relatable meme cultures. And guys, we have started our journey to 2D animated series, and the first snapshot will take place on 8 May 2025. So get ready for this. And our snapshot will be used for whitelisting Koji for the NFTs collections and for the future airdrops. You have to take a pick NFT collections, and we will Chill Niggas will hit the streets of Solana blockchain this summer, hope so in 2025, and we will proceed 50% for the NFT sales will be allocated to buying Chill Nigga coin and burning all of these. So guys, you are ready for this, and here I will tell you what is this about. I am talking their tokenomics roadmap and how you can buy. Firstly, we have to talk about our social medias account, like our Telegram, our Twitter, our Instagram, and our launch on Pump Fund and our official contract address, which you can see on my screen, and I have placed also in my video description. So firstly, I recommend you to guys please join our Telegram community. This is just a Chill Nigga portals where you have to join for our further updations, news, and this is our Twitter community, guys, where you have to follow, where you have to like, comment, retweet. You have to join our community. And guys, here is all about a story of Chill Nigga, and here you can get the meme of Trump hairs that will be adopted as the new form currency. Here you can check out our all of the updations at our social media's account. So guys, here this is our YouTube channel where you have to subscribe, like, comment, and you have to retweet here, and you have to like here, you have to comment here, you have to follow. Guys, we have to officially launch on pump.fun. Here how you have to buy. You have to simply connect your wallet, like which wallet it's on to you. You have to firstly put in login, and guys, here you can see that our graph, our here is in front of you, where you can see that our current price, it will be bluish, completely bluish when you buy this, when you join, when you invite your family and friends at this. So guys, this is all about our Twitter, Telegram, and our Instagram account where you have to follow and where you have to join. And here you can see that about all of OG is a basically broke college kid in New York, and this is the story of OG. That is the McDonald drive through to meme coin millionaire. So young OG, their journey is in front of you. You have to behind this tinted window was a shop dressed. Here you can see that OG that was curious, depressed, and he have joined and hooked for. He sold everything he owned, moved into this. So this is our tokenomics. That's 1 billion is total supply and liquidity is burned. And here is our roadmap where you can see that we have to launch, and here is the wallet. As I tell you how you have to buy, you have to create your wallet, and you have to create which wallet that have a Solana address, and then you have to go to Pump Fund and you can buy. So guys, here is again I am talking about Chill Nigga, our socials like our Twitter, our Instagram, and our Telegram account. So here you get all of our animations of Chill Nigga as on our Twitter and also available on our Instagram accounts. So guys, you have to follow here for our amazing, very beautiful. You can see more tutorials. So you have to must watch here, and here is all of animations, very beautiful animations you can see here, guys, and you can check out. So you have to must join here, as I recommend you to.
I put my hero on rock. I put Moscato on rock.
So yeah, you have to must reach this and you have to must watch this. So this is why so quite what's on your mind here. You can see that animations which I want to show you. I want to tell you about our Just Chill Nika. So these are the very beautiful and very awesome. So this is the diverse lower income neighborhood at here their store. You can see that their clothings, their clothes, their comments, each and everything and Chill Nika. This is in and out drive through of Chill Nikas. You can see that, and these all of our is available on our Instagram too, guys. You must here, and now I want to show you the Instagram account where you have to follow. As you can see that I have also follow, and you have to must like and follow here. You can see these are the all of animation, and you have to must invite your family and friends. I just want to show you our all of the socials why you have to join here, because this is the very interesting, very awesome, guys. And here you can see all of our animations, our tutorials of Just Chill here. And you wanna must join here, and you have to must invite your family and friends here, guys, because
Why you kill
a lot of profits
more like that? Why you more like that?
you, and I recommend you to please join and mustly join. And now at here at Just Chill Nika portals, at Just Chill Nika on Instagram, on their Twitter, and their all of the social media. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.